Today we're going to go over the Nxt5 infusion pump. The Nxt5 is meant for use with a 20 drop and 60 drop infusion set. There are 5 manufacturers that we can choose from, and we can also calibrate our own off-brand set. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and load our set. So when we open the latch, we're going to pull back this free flow mechanism. I'm going to start at the top, work my way down. Now there's an anti-free flow mechanism in here. So when I close the latch, it will re-engage that anti-free flow mechanism. So now that I have this loaded, if I push the bolus button once, and that gets us to bolus, and then hold it down, that's going to prime the set for us. And once we have it primed to where we want it, simply let go of the bolus button and it comes back to our original screen. So right now, this flashing line means that we can change the values in this upper window. I'm going to toggle down by pressing the menu button to this lower window, where we're going to choose the manufacturer of our IV line set. So if I hit return, I can change my pressure from low, medium to high. I'm going to cycle through. I'm going to be using a 60. So here's where I'm going to change to my 60. Then we get down to heat. Now, if I want to turn the heat on and adjust the temperatures, I do that here. So if I hit OK again, it turns it off. Now, one more toggle, I get to Baxter. So I know Baxter. So if let's go back through here. Okay, so Baxter, Abbott, B. Braun, BD, and we're going to cycle through. So user 1 would be an off-brand set that you use, but it does have to be a 20 or a 60. User 2, user 3, and then we're back to Baxter. So now we're going to hit menu to toggle back to our upper values where we can set our rate and volume. So if I hit OK, then we're going to come down to rate. So I can increase and decrease this. And if I hold it in, it will start to increase in increments of 10 or decrease in increments of 10. So right now, I'm going to leave that at a rate of 250. Hit OK. Now we have our KVO, keep vein open, and we can also adjust that value, but 5 is pretty much the standard. So if I hit OK again, it's going to talk about our volume limit. So that's fine here. Now, when I'm ready to go, I will hit start, and it's going to start running. So if I want to deliver a bolus, I hit the bolus button. On the 60 drop set, 400 is our max rate. So from here, I can adjust this. I'm going to leave it at 400. Hit OK. Now how much of that? Now this volume will count towards your total volume, which was 25. So I'm going to set this for 5. And I'm going to go back here. So we're at 21. So if I go to my bolus and I hit start, so that reverts back. So you can see that we've added volume from our bolus, and then it will proceed till the end of the IV cycle when it reaches that 25 mil limit that we set. If for any reason I need to stop, the infusion cycle, I simply hit stop, and then if I want to proceed, I hit start again. So I'm going to stop the infusion cycle. So here, there's not a way to reset using the buttons. So if you want to reset your volume that was delivered, hold the button in, turn it off, turn it back on, 3 seconds, and so we can see we have our 0 delivered. So that is how you program rate, load, and change the types of set you're going to be using. Thank you for your time.